two pretty green eyes that please me the most. I fully know this is dangerous, but I've never been too good at
Is it crazy to go for a swim this morning?
Yeah, it's freezing. Look at that succulent wall. It's nice, bro.
How cute they are.
They're tiny baby girl.
Do you guys want the sex? Look, beep, oh. Beep, oh, beep, oh. Beep, oh, beep.
What are these? What are these? I feel like that might be right. So pretty right now.
Yeah.
All right.
Let your bones show, let your bones show. Won't have to hide anymore. Our animal love will be enough to protect the both of us. Crouching low like a jungle cat, but something tells me I'd be content to be trapped. A fleeting look and there goes my breath, but no pleasure comes without consequence. Tell me, is this for the moment, or do you really think we can land?
Eric was a little worried about me sun-wise, so he did this.
Yeah, I think this is it's utilitarianism.
Catching up to speed with my hummingbird heart. I wanna see your faces, nobody that I know. They'll holler when they hear my name and then they'll go back home. Won't have to tell you whatever way.
The Withy Winderals, where I'm from. And my wife, Goldberry, the river's daughter. She jestfully pulled me under the lily pad, and I came back the next day to ask the river for her hand in marriage.
Wow, Jade.
Little Groot.
Hello, little baby. Wait, are the raccoon and Groot friends?
Oh, Meredith. They're best friends. He gets hurt after the first movie because he's a big tree guy, and then he comes back as a little baby.
Oh, you look so nice.
That's the thing, is YouTube.
Are you doing this again for this?
I'm trying to get more comfortable being myself on the vlog. I like her vlog, so I want when I'm on the vlog for that to be just me. I don't want it to be me
I
going,
think you
oh,
are
shit.
one of the most genuine people.
Yeah, I
on
agree.
camera.
So good.
You look hot.
We all look great.
How do you feel about your glasses being the way they are? See?
How are they?
They're glued onto the mask.
Oh.
These are an old pair of glasses that I removed.
you just broke the-
arm,
But you,
so.
that's not making you nauseous?
Maybe it will later.
Gosh, now that you mention it, yeah, it is.
No, this is okay, right? It's like this prescription's a little bit old, and yeah, they're a little further away than they normally would be. But I think it's okay.
I was gonna do one at a time.
So should we start calling cars?
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh, should we? What time is it?
Hey.
You're the first face that I saw. Think I was blind before I met you. I don't know where I am, I don't know where I've been.
I'm Tom Bombadil.
Love you, love you, baby. Who says that you can't live forever? Shine out your light, it's now or never. And you said, baby, watch your head. Look at the crowd that love you now. Walk on the wall and you'll be left for dead. Somebody catch me, I've gone blind. Can't see for all the stars in my eyes. No more emotion, I'm all drive. Till I get this splinter out of my side. Soon every string surround me. These wooden legs and arms will crumble like a cloud. Smoking sun just pucker down. But I won't regret it. This is the choice of a man. Love you, baby. Who says that you can't live forever? Shine out your light, it's now or never. And you said, baby, watch your head. Said, look at the crowd that love you now. Walk on the wall and you'll be left for dead. Who says that you can't live forever? Shine out your light, it's now or never. And you said, baby, watch your head.
I'm on a vlog. Oh no! I was talking about
The ring cycle.
All right, I was talking about the ring cycle. The gold ring is this, it's an interesting modern metaphor for money and the way that people can become newly powerful.
You're doing such a great job talking on the vlog.
I know, you did. That was, I think you're very natural on the vlog.
All right, just some context. I'm not very comfortable talking on a vlog because I'm not used to this. Normally I don't,
It's not his lifestyle.
it's not my lifestyle to have pull out a camera and talk to other people. It's rare for me. We're at a wedding this weekend with someone who's a well-known influencer who's very good at it. And it was an interesting part of the wedding that she was able to live out this really authentic moment in her life, getting married, having multiple cameras on her, and like I think knowing that later this is going to be edited, but she's able to live through it. I sort of still, I'm thinking about the edit. I'm like, I wonder how Meredith's going to edit this. Is she going to pull my ums out? Because that's what I do when I edit people.
Yeah,
I take the
I
ums
do.
out.
Are you trying to be natural? People's arms out?
I don't take people's arms out.
I was like, she's gonna edit like just like the square of your head.
I'll freeze,
I'm gonna
freeze.
stay perfectly still, and now you get up and leave this frame.
In this pose?
Yes, because I need the background.
Oh, nice. Got it.
No, it wasn't enough just to be good. No, it wasn't enough doing as I should. The more I cursed the day